Hi, friends. So today I'm a little bit hungry right in this morning. So I'll go to snack seller with you. And I'm asking to make a bowl of me. Yeah. And I also will continue my activity after I done after I finish to eat food over here. And my friend actually over there already waiting me. So after I finish my food over here, I will stray forward there. So what? And then I just want to show you, and then in the other activity after I finish here, if you just want this food, you just come up next to place. Actually, it's very close to our office over there, and also this food is kind of like very nice, guys. So let me get it.